I don't really like what I hate. I hate people that brag. Yes, you say you love your daughter Valerie, and you have been fighting from afar to get your daughter. And I can't hear say your daughter did Nigeria.
Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of where una dey watch our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another ogbonge matter come again. No be small matter dey happen for inside life, my people. This one na between Mabel and her husband.
The
This one
gullible followers.
shortalize me, my people. Make
And
we
when I
gather
mean the
here, make
gullible
we hear
followers, I
wetin
mean the ones that
Mabel
she's
husband dey
giving
talk about
to
Mabel.
2,000 naira,
As this
10,000
matter dey
naira
expose
on a monthly
Mabel, my
basis, because
people.
I've told you guys that she
Una
has a
no be
WhatsApp
Mabel
group,
na KO
opened
family.
by
My people,
annually,
make we relax, make we lis ten to
whereby
this
they
very
have
video.
over 100
Please
and
no forget to
something
like and
people on
share.
that
Drop your
WhatsApp group,
opinion
or
on our
100
comment
plus.
section below. Tell us what
That
you think
WhatsApp group,
about this very
their
video.
aim and
If
objective
this man dey do too
is
much
to
or
counter anybody
wetin
that is
Mabel do
against
am na im dey
Mabel.
pain am, make una
That
drop
is
una
why when you
opinion. God
see in any
bless you all.
platform
Stay blessed and see you
anyone
all
talking about
on our next
Jezebel,
video.
aka the gold smoker, aka the woman wey no fit do without gbola, aka the shameless woman, aka the woman when he use quick to spy the husband. Yes, I'm saying it on live broadcast. She's in Nigeria. She has written petition against me, of which I am waiting for them to call me. I would gladly go to any station or any zone whereby the petition is being laid. And when I'm going there, I'm going to make a video before I go there. And when I get there too, definitely we don't really know what is going to happen. But I keep wondering the kind of mind Jezebel of a person have. I have 50% right custody in regards to my daughter, my beautiful princess Munachi, in whom I am well pleased with. Munachi is a precious daughter. She is a gift from God Almighty. That is why I still have nothing to regret. When I told you guys that I lost over 200,000 euro is in the hands of Mabel, aka the Igbobian, but you guys think I am ranting. And if you guys can tell yourself the truth, for the past 3 years plus, that so-called Jezebel has not been working. Tell me where she is getting revenue or the money she's claiming to be. It is my money, her money, her money. We all know in Europe the money they give to most of us. Know in Europe the money they pay for children or whatever for their support is not too big. It is for just for the children upkeep. Then tell me, or someone can really explain to me, how come we were able to buy a car of 56,000 euro paid cash on social media? It is through the help of Facebook. There's the money we have been earning on Facebook. And where she gets it twisted and where she gets this whole thing, where she misinterprets this whole issue is just because the money is being paid into your account, money we are working together. I brought myself down, I sold my dignity, I sold my reputation just because we want to achieve a goal. And the major reason why like 30% or 20% are still believing in Jezebel is because they don't really know the kind of person Jezebel is and the kind of role I have been playing on our platform. If you guys go to the video we did 2 years ago, 3 years ago, you see all through the video, I've been the one always at fault. I've been the one bringing girls to cheat and whatever. And before I forget, she said she gave my younger sister 1 million naira to open a shop. I'm telling you the truth, that is 100% a lie. If you guys could remember the story of Ugogo, that my baby mama issue was planned between me, my wife, Ugogo, and some other persons. The young boy they used as my son there was my younger sister's son. That was the son we used. That was the boy we used. And to the whole world, Jezebel was not aware in all this whole issue, because I use mud to rub myself just for her to be seen as an saint or angel. This whole issue happened and I put everything on my head. And this thing I'm telling you about, this Saga issue, you guys knew that this thing went viral. The video went viral. Anybody that is a content creator or that is into entertainment will really know what I'm talking about. Once your video goes viral, then you are very, very sure of getting a good revenue or income. I know how much we brought, how much we got in that Saga issue. If we didn't make money, we made over 20-something thousand euro. So tell me, if you make over 20-something thousand euro and you give the boy which we use 1 million naira, and you gave them like 2 million or 3 million naira, of which it causes problem on the internet, then what are we talking about? One thing about Jezebel that you guys don't know, Jezebel is a user. And everybody that knows Jezebel will know that Jezebel is a big-time user. I keep on wondering why somebody will say that all my family are bad. One of the videos she did yesterday or today, according to my admin, she said that the family is siding me against her. No, tell me if she's actually good to the family, or what she claimed on social media, that she has been the one taking good care of the family. Then how come your family is now against you? This is what I don't really understand. Me, my truth not go dry, Jerry, because right now I just did calm and I did watch, because where they beat poor man picking puts, you beat me there. But one thing I want to assure you is that you cannot just beat me like that in Europe, and you seize my daughter in Europe, and you still come to Nigeria here to haunt me and not fall from up. I don't know if you get me. I don't really know the kind of connection you have, but Nigeria is not a lawless country. And I saw another what you said on your live broadcast today, that I blackmail you with nude picture, and I can attest to it that Mabel, aka Jezebel, the Igbo smoker, Mabel blackmailed me with my nude picture, and everything is in the record. She posted it on social media, on the Brothers platform, of which the evidence are all there on the media. I keep wondering the kind of woman that will post the husband's nude picture on social media, and she come to her platform, for her to get self-pity and all that. She keep on lying what she's doing to the other person. The brother attests to it that she destroyed the page completely. How wicked and cruel can a woman be? A mother, your own blood's younger brother, the same father and the same mother. Just because they did not support you, you posted my nude picture on his platform. Why didn't you post it on your platform? This is how wicked and cruel Jezebel can be. There are so many things Jezebel has really done. She said, my children have passport, whatever. She should bring out the passport copy and show to the world, when did my children do passports and how long, and if actually they have passport or they don't have passport. I have said it on my live broadcast that I owe no man no explanation, but when too much of everything is bad, when they sit on too many for blind man food, the blind man gonna say, this thing not be crayfish, this thing not dirty, now this thing be. So Jezebel has really done a lot on the media. This is Jezebel that got married. If she's not ashamed of herself, she said if she don't do Okpo before, yes, she did Okpo in Spain. You guys don't really know about Jezebel. Jezebel went to Spain first and hustled in Spain. When the hustling was too much in Spain and she got problem in Spain, because then in Spain she was answering Sophia. Sophia was her name in Spain. So when she got the issue in Spain, they deported her to Nigeria. Then she took another connection and she went back to Holland. And when she got to Holland, the old man that met him, which is Roland Wem. She dated Roland. Roland is more than 30 years older than her. Confiscated that guy money with her diabolical power and all that. Before you know, Juju the Faye, just like the way the one when they do for me Faye. Before you knew what was happening, she being the kind of person she is till now, use bottle and break down my head. And the person she called on her live broadcast today, I would not want to go into her because they have talked to me. I am just waiting for her to do one video or anything that is concerning me, then I'm going to descend on her without fear or favor. The person that she is calling today, watch her live broadcast, was the period she brought that one from Nigeria to come and do Olusho in Europe. So that was how she was arrested and brought back to Nigeria because she took asylum as a Sierra Leone person. She said she's from Sierra Leone. That was how she was deported. For you to know how miserable Jezebel's life has ever been. Jezebel is supposed to be a shame. Jezebel is supposed to be a vehicle nobody should enter. Because it's a car. When it be say, it leads to doom. So after Jezebel has finished with that Roland Wem, and the man deported Jezebel through the police, of course. Then a lot of juju. When I told you guys that this Jezebel is so diabolical, everything she does, she not the one with that, she not apply black power. And one good thing for this life is say everything get expiring dates. Everything in this life have an expiring date. So those juju, they fail her at a point in time in her life. But she keep on doing what she's doing. Now she came back again. When the man brought Jezebel can't run leave the man. That was when Jezebel was hustling in Vienna. She was doing Olusho in Vienna when the father of Michelle saw her, and she now say the man get money, use medicine for the man to get the man down. See, anybody that is supporting Jezebel, I say it on this platform without fear or favor. What has happened to the old men Jezebel has gotten married to will happen to you in the mighty name of Jesus. It is not a bad prayer if you don't have any evil intention. That is it. If you see someone, that is destroying a kingdom, someone that is destroying a land, according to the Benin people, how can you see someone? That is why I said, choose promise. I am so disappointed at choose promise. And in fact, I am coming to do a special video for choose promise. If you tell me you love your daughter, and your daughter has been in Nigeria for the past 4 days, I just got an information that you are enjoying yourself in Canada. How dare you do that? No, how dare you do that? If you really place value on your daughter, this is an opportunity for you to come and collect your daughter, but you are just busy enjoying yourself because you don't have any, I don't think you even have any love for that your daughter. I know most of my fans will be so surprised. Why am I talking to Just Promise this way? Yes, I need to tell him the truth. He has to hear the truth. Are you telling me that you are scared or afraid of Jezebel? You have your documents, or you don't have money to buy tickets. Let me send you money to buy tickets. I was even expecting you to have called me since then. All this thing has been on ground. I have apologized to everybody I have hurt. I was thinking till now, you should have called me to ask me, at least my brother or my hater or whatever, how I would take get my daughter. Just because you don't have any, I don't think you have love for that girl. You don't let woman flog you, flog you. me not be saying I make good pass because now the same thing when they do to her, now they do to me. But my own still better pass choose promise on. Yes. My own still better pass choose promise on because now maybe the biological daughter and she born her for me. But like this choose promise on, maybe not relate to choose promise. And I choose promise now get the picking. And maybe not relate to Bonita family. And maybe deny Bonita family or deny them access to Valerie. How wicked can Jezebel be? I am asking, how wicked? Let me assume right now, say, okay, now my daughter, Monachina, my daughter. Okay, she hold my daughter. What about Valerie? When you are not related to Valerie, when you don't have any connection, both from the maternal side or from the paternal side. Yo, now me they speak English like this. Hey, man. Oh, paternal and maternal. My fans, I don't go school for a year or forget to. Very soon, the kind of English you go to drop my mouth and you yourself go tire. So I wonder why Mabel is doing what she is doing. You have reported me to the Austrian police. You told me that the Austrian police are on my platform. Yes, I know because anything when I do, I know they do them. I do things in regards to the law. So how dare you, Mabel? You beat me, collect my own picking from me. Then you can't see call Nigeria again. Can't see write petition against me. Say you want to lock me up to deal with me. Hey! Or more the kind of girls when you get because of you, I don't carry security, they follow everywhere. Because of you, I am taking security everywhere. See, you see this, you see? Show you the see. Because me myself, I need to fear for my dear life. Because I don't know waiting Mabel to come to Nigeria. I don't know the kind of plan where she gets against me because I know that so many of them are haunting me. But the good thing here is you cannot just pick me like a trash and throw me in the dustbin. I will not allow that. At least before you go see beat me, make I cry or deal with me for this country, at least I will see try my best more. Because who they pursue small picking, now in the show am road. I don't blame you when you come on live broadcast and insult my mother. You talk to her anyhow you wish to talk to her. I don't blame you. I don't really blame you because you have done that the same to your mother. So if you don't have place value on your mother before she passed on, you treated your mother the way you treated your mother, even buy a dog and call the dog mother instead of you to open your mouth and call the dog instead of you to open your mouth and call your mother mother, you prefer to call a dog and call that dog mother. That is the height of it. Because anything you sow, that is what you are going to reap. Mabel has planted a lot of evil seeds. Mabel has done a lot of havoc. And bet me, it is only God that is going to expose Mabel. God is going to expose Mabel to the whole world for the world to know the kind of person she is. My prayer these days, Mabel will be disgraced on the internet in the mighty name of Jesus. Mabel is going to be publicly disgraced on the internet because she has done so many harm to so many people. This was when she was marrying the father of Michelle. Michelle, Damien, you guys are going to ask your mother how come Henry was in that house while your father was alive. The main reason why Mabel brought Henry to that house, it is all because she said the man Bola dey very small. Say the man not the fit do. Say the man they do both men and women. Let her go and lay a curse anywhere. Anything I am saying on this live broadcast is nothing but the truth. Say the man Bola be like this. That was when she brought Henry from Germany to come and be staying with her. I have said this severally on my live broadcast. Then before you knew what was happening, she was making the Duvaga for the house there. And when the man confronted Mabel, Mabel was always fighting this man. This man had restless night. This man had sleepless night. See, you guys don't really know the power of Jezebel. Jezebel is the devil herself. Believe you me or not. Jezebel na devil. Ekwensu. That is who she is. Because with what Mabel has done on social media, what she has done to so many people, you guys will not believe. Mabel slept with this guy, Duduvaga this guy, day and night. And when the man caught them, because of who she is, because of the kind of person she is, even when she said that when the mother was alive, when the mother came to, because she just born Peking that time, the mother come from Umugo. Even Mabel was sleeping with Henry while the mother was still in that house. Who really know what by the mother? Because from our side we forbid so many things. If you trace it very well, Mabel hands they waiting by the mother. Yes. Because you cannot do that kind of thing. Your mother, as the traditional woman, come to your house. Henry was there, and you were sleeping with Henry while you were still married. What kind of woman is that? What kind of a woman? What kind of a shameless woman? Mabel is someone that is supposed to be right off totally. I'm telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. This was the major reason why everybody in grass rejected her. Because when she quarreled with the father of Dacia, which is Henry, nobody wanted to go there. Just because I was in Italy, just because Greatness Pipo Joe, you are very stupid for you to make these comments. Greatness Pipo Joe, if care is not taken, I am going to descend on you. You say we like her for doing that. How many times have you slapped your husband? You won't come, don't let me descend on you, Greatness Pipo Joe. If I see any of your comments here again, I'm going to descend on you. If I see your comment here again, shameless woman. Now people like una the square home, what you know you don't do, what you know you cannot do to your husband, then you are encouraging somebody to do it to another person. Please don't let me descend on you. You are not the major reason why I am here on this live broadcast. I've been seeing some kind of Mabel's gullible fans or followers making their stupid comments. I don't have their time, because this is your comment that you are making. This go and work lazy or whatever is an engagement to me. I'm not going to delete any comment at all. Leave it there, let it cause controversy. So Mabel, so before you knew what was happening, Mabel was tormenting this man. And it can never be well with Mabel, because Mabel took the father of Michelle and Damien untimely. Because no man can ever stay or stand and see the wife making to the vagina another man. And of course, in their matrimonial bed. This was how the man got depressed. The man got seriously depressed, just like the way I was depressed in Austria before leaving Austria. Because I told you guys I was not joking. I know no woman or no man warrant or worth for any human being to buy his or her own self. But there are some pressure Mabel, Jezebel will put on you, my dear. Forget. You see the children that she is using to say, I saga the children on social media. I am so surprised, because most of you are so gullible and most of you are so daft. Most of you see red and call it white. If you guys could remember and be sincere to yourself, you will know that Mabel was the one that brought our kids to social media. She brought them to social media to come and destroy me, but not knowing that she is even destroying her own self. I tell you the truth, I was with somebody yesterday and the person was telling me, how is the mental health of the children? Yeah, the mental health can never be okay. Seeing the kind of mother they have and what their mother is doing on social media, it is 100% absorbed. She descended on those children, she beat those children. Anyhow, even Valerie has collected wutu. She cannot deny or come to the platform and tell me that what I am saying is a lie. But though she can still convince them, come out and defend what Eliab is saying. Which reasonable woman or which reasonable wife will behave just the way Mabel is behaving on social media? I am asking. This was how the man, out of frustration, because she said the Austrian police are on my platform, and I am so glad they are on my platform. If I am lying, they can attest to this. That man knocked by for motor accident. That man by for near their house, carry rope, carry everything, go hang himself after he see Mabel and Henry the Duvaga. He jammed them life and direct. Mabel is someone that cannot stay without a dick. Most especially when she don't poo, when she don't smoke, Chris come up for her head. She be person when he be say, enough fit stay without enough do. And all through Mabel's life, all through the husband when she don't marry, the 5 husbands when they don't marry, no one was able to stay with her for more than 2 years. Because even the Henry, when they want to stay up to like 2 years or 3 years, today this one day one side, tomorrow that one day another side. This was how that man go take by himself. And I know the children are going to ask her 100%. I'm very, very sure about that. This was how this man, do you think, say, na clear eye or you go man, go take, not be say he can't go drive or they drunk, he can't get accident, go by. But it take time. Do you think before someone by himself or by herself, do you think now one day decision? Not be one day now it start. Now pain, agony, thinkness, frustration. Now you just make say you see man before you go come say, okay, let me take now a rope and go by myself. Mabel, blood, they are hands. That is the major reason why you see her misbehaving on social media. That is why you see her doing what she's doing, because her cup is already filled up. Mabel's cup is filled up already. Because you cannot beat a child and you ask that child not to cry. You have beaten so many men. Mabel, daughter of Jezebel, is the only woman I have ever seen since I was born and now I am old. I have never seen a woman take person pikin. Now make me say this choose promise. In my time, I'll have to come and make another video for choose promise. I never see where a woman, when they bend down the piece, come take person pikin when he not relate to, and instead of the man when he be say not be say na Ghana man, not be say na Zimbabwe man, Nigeria born in Agbo. My brother, you disappoint Agbo. The whole Agbo are ashamed of you. I am telling you the facts. Then the woman come when he carry your pikin, he beats you finish for Europe, he beats you mercilessly for Europe, to the extent you can't hide your face. Now she can't bring your pikin come Nigeria, then you can't tell me say nah enjoy, you dey enjoy for Canada, because Canada na where they never go before. No, I am asking you, Canada na where they never go before. You go sit down for Canada when you be say your pikin, when you dey tell them say now because na Europe you not fit do anything, now because na Europe. Now she don't bring her come Nigeria. Before you know wetin dey happen, she go carry your pikin go back. But me, I must see my pikin before my pikin come out for this country. 1000%. I must see my pikin, whether the devil like it or not. Me, where they beat poor man picking people, they go beat people for there. With the whole connection when they get, make them send me go jet. I am ready to go. For my beautiful daughter, I am going to fight for her. I am not like this promise I cannot fight for her daughter. So let him get this message, and I'll keep on saggering choose promise. Hence I know that he is in Canada. I'll keep on descending on him. I'll keep on descending on him. Jezebel, how many times did I call you? Why are you feeding your followers or your fans or your gullible followers with lies? No, tell me. You are telling them that you love me, you did this, you did that. Behind the camera, you are fighting me earnestly. Collected money, ate another person's sweat, and you are calling me lazy. You are calling me lazy. You are calling me all sorts of names. You are calling me all sorts of names on social media just because I once loved you, and I loved my daughter with passion. There is no two ways about it, and I am ready to compromise anything for my daughter. You cannot just bring my daughter to Nigeria and then you can't tell me, say, make I look for make I what am I going to do? No problem. No single problem at all. I am watching. You collected everything I have worked so hard for. In Europe, in Nigeria, they can't follow me, they drag the one in Nigeria. They say you want to collect everything. Abba, you not get conscience. Don't you have conscience? Not be blood they flow for your vein. And Jezebel, I'm asking you, is it not blood that is flowing on your vein? You are telling them that you don't get in touch with me. You are afraid to send me message so that I will not record you. You know, till yesterday, day before yesterday, you have been writing me. It will be so childish of me to start playing the kind of voice message you have been sending me. I will look childish. This thing I am doing, I don't even like it. I don't even like, because I know that I get where I go. I don't need any distraction at all, because like the way you are now, you are a big distraction to me. You will never let me be. No, do you want to seize everything and you deprive me of my own biological daughter? And don't forget, both of us have 50% custody, 50% rights when it comes to my daughter. And you took my daughter, you brought my daughter to Nigeria without my consent. No problem at all. You, they above the law. Because Europe, now your papa and your mama, now get Europe. The president there, now your father. The whatever there, now your mother. So Jezebel, just keep doing what you are doing. I am seeing every stone you are throwing at me. I see every attempt you are trying to make. And that is the major reason why I am not just going to just see, I'm not just going to just sit down and still look. Anywhere you call me, just do like the voice message I sent to you yesterday. I said, tell me anywhere you are. I will come and meet you for us to resolve any issue you want to resolve. If you want to come with your battalion of police to come and arrest me, I am free. After all, Jete not make for goats. Now human being I did here. But this is my right. It is my right. My full-time right, and nobody can deprive me from speaking the truth. So Jezebel is someone that, if actually you guys know Jezebel, you will be perplexed. She goes to every platform to fight with the gullible followers, fighting the family members on social media, doing all sort of nonsense on social media. How dare you? Motivating others when you cannot even motivate yourself. The fact here is that Mabel, aka Jezebel, needs a therapy. Big time. She needs a therapy. And as I've said before, she's not mentally okay. She is having bipolar. And she has been in psychiatric hospital like twice in Australia. The records are all there. So I said, let me just come out and debunk what she's saying, all those lies, because I don't have the time for me, because I'm too busy for me to sit down on a live broadcast to watch her for 1 hour or above 1 hour. Jezebel, you know, she's pained and she's frustrated. She is really pained. The people that she's calling, that's one useless, stupid 419 pastor that is jobless. Victor, I'm coming to deal with you. I'm coming to play your voice, your wife's voice record on social media. How your wife said that you are jobless, and your house. I videoed your house. I videoed everything. I'm coming to social media to come and disseminate it on social media. And I don't really have most of the haters' time, because I'm just trying to build myself. I'm trying to focus on what matters to me most. You see, like most of these gullible followers or these haters that she is bringing, I am coming. I have a plan for you guys. Just the only advice I want to advise you is just keep on opening fake accounts. Don't open a real genuine account, because if you open a genuine account, I am coming to descend on you guys when it comes to that time. But let me follow waiting the important for me most. You see, even C2, Mr. C2 that sang a song for me yesterday, C2 is just a musician and someone that is working, just like someone that is selling tomatoes, pepper and all that, and someone is buying tomatoes of 300 naira and buying pepper of 1000 naira. You don't have the right to ask that person, say, why the pepper plenty pass the tomatoes? No, it is that person's decision, because that person is paying you that particular time. Okay, now C2 sang a song. Guys, I'm just chilling, man. I'm just chilling, you know. Maybe they make me the waste money. They make me the waste money up and down, but not be any problem at all. I'm capable. Okay, somebody when he sings song, he not call your name, Mabel, on that song. And my fans, please, if you guys can be truthful to yourself, I want you guys to listen to this song one more time and see if actually C2 make mistake or C2 do wrong for her to play this kind of song for me. As I'm talking to you, she has descended on C2. And the funniest thing is, if she's insulting you, she's insulting your family members. She's insulting your family members. She will be insulting you, insulting your family members. And that is how she insulted the mother. She and the mother not get good things until the mother cry. Now she don't take her to the elder sister. You don't take her to the brothers. You don't take her. What is your problem? Who is pursuing you? Why can't you come outside and speak the truth, and so that people will know how to help you? If you now listen to the voice notes when Jezebel sent to C2, and this is a boy that has worked for us. This is a boy that has done so much for us, because if we want pay him for the song when they do for us, normally the way the guy take it, when he go take charge of others, not